You really don't need to be flexible to initiate yoga, but it is there in the yogic practice. If you practice it on regular basis, you will have the flexibility what you are seeking for if you practice it for long time. Traditionally, it has multiple types. You must have heard of some big names like Ashtanga Yoga is there, Swara Yoga is there, Hatha Yoga is there. Yoga is there for obesity. Yoga is there to treat diabetes. Some yogic postures are there to ease the hypertension. So these are basic practices, that asana, physical postures, pranayama as in your breathing practices. There are some gestures which can be termed as mudras practices also, and once again the mindfulness, the meditation, which is very effective treatment or the practice to have the particular or the stable mindset you can have. You can start your practice from some loosening exercises. Loosening exercises basically involve the joint movement, smaller and bigger joint movement. With that, you can go for some postural practices, that is asanas. So there are very specific asanas, the Tadasana, Vrikshasana. These are physical postures actually, which actually massages your internal organ. And you can end your practice by practicing pranayama, that is breathing exercise. You must have heard the name of Anulom or Brahmari or Kapalbhati pranayam. And with a smooth ending, you want to give the calmness to your mind, so you can end the practice with dhyana or meditation practice. Couldn't expect the goat question. Yeah, that is, yoga is the thing which everyone and each of you can do. Initially, when you are starting the yoga, you have to initiate it under the guidance of a practitioner or of a doctor, you can say. But yoga is good for all age group. Surya Namaskara is nothing but the combination of 12 postures which are there, and the efficacy of Surya Namaskara, if you talk about it, is massaging your internal organ, because you are practicing those 12 asanas one after the other with the breathing practices. It is massaging your internal organs, so it is improving your breathing also, and it is improving your flexibility also. You have to practice at empty stomach. That is the caution to Surya Namaskara.